Hello and good morning students. Children, today we are going to do some exercises from our workbook. English workbook, theme 3, worksheet number 1, and it is in page number 29. Please take out your English workbook to page number 29, and it is theme 3, worksheet number 1. Now what you have to do is that there is a passage given, and here the passage already you have done this type of passages in theme 1 and theme 2. This is little different because there is dialogue. Dialogue means there are some characters and they are talking to each other, and that in the dialogue form the passage is given. Like you must have seen the skits or drama. In school also you must have acted where you have to deliver the dialogue. You have to speak to one person and the other person speaks to you. So this is in the passage is given in form of dialogue, and here we have characters. Characters means the speakers or those who are talking to each other. They are Gayatri, Amarjit, Kusum and Ammu. Okay, so let us read the passage, this comprehension passage, and you read after me. Okay, I am reading, that's why I am reading slowly. Gayatri. Now when you are doing the role play, you will not say Gayatri. You are Gayatri and you just deliver the dialogue. But here, since I am reading, so I am naming the characters also. Wherein this festival's great fun? Amarjit, Lodi and Sankranti. Oh yes, Gayatri, we celebrate Pongal in Tamil Nadu during this time. It is a harvest festival. Kusum, Lodi must be the harvest festival of Punjab. Isn't it so? Amarjit, your mother gave us that lovely kheer made with rice and sugarcane juice. And Gayatri's mother made rice and dal khichdi cooked in gur. Ammu, I love the sweet rice that your mother made, Gayatri. Isn't it great how all these festivals are celebrated in the middle of January all over the country? Gayatri, we threw corn and groundnuts in that huge bonfire at Amarjit's place. I also enjoyed the singing and dancing around that fire. Wasn't it great fun, Kusum? Kusum, yes, it was. In Maharashtra, we celebrate Sankranti by making til and gur laddus. Amarjit, but it's not on the same day, is it? Kusum, oh yes, it is. It falls in the middle of January. And next page, Gayatri. How nice that we live near each other and can celebrate our festivals together. So this is all about the passage. You all can read. There are simple words. Okay. Now tell me, children, what these 4 children are talking about. Yes, you are correct. They are talking about festivals which are celebrated in mid-January. Which festival is celebrated in mid-January? They are naming different, like Sankranti or Lodi, and they are saying Pongal. They are talking about the harvest festivals that is celebrated in the month of January. In Gujarat, we also celebrate a similar festival in mid-January, maybe 14, mostly it is on 14, sometime around 15th of January. What is it? Yes, you are correct. It's a great festival which we celebrate across the state, that is Uttarayan. We fly kites and enjoy different dishes during this festival. Now here children, they are talking about their own states. Some from Maharashtra, other one from Punjab, and the other one from Tamil Nadu, and they are talking about the different dishes they eat. During Lodi and Sankranti and Pongal, and this all are harvest festival where people make different dishes to celebrate their festival, and they have dances and songs, and even they make bonfire because that is winter season. And in winter season they make the fire and they go around the fire and they throw groundnuts and they celebrate. Okay, so let us do some questions which are followed by this passage. So the first question, based on your reading, answer these questions. You can write your own answers and afterwards you can check your answer with mine. Okay, it is better that it is simple. You can understand what questions are given and you can answer yourself. Okay, what are the kids discussing? Okay, and I have written, the kids are discussing about the festivals of Lohri and Sankranti and also other festivals celebrated during this time across different states. Like I told you, in Gujarat we celebrate Uttarayan, and other places they have, maybe in Assam they celebrate Bihu, and this across the state, different states we celebrate this time. So the kids are discussing about the festivals of Lohri and Sankranti and also other festivals celebrated during this time across different states. Okay. Now coming to the second question, where is Pongal celebrated? What kind of festival is Pongal? As you know, Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Yes, it is a harvest festival. So first question is, where is Pongal celebrated? Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. And the second question, part A and part B of the same question number 2. What kind of festival is Pongal? It is a harvest festival. What is harvest festival, children? When the farmers, they grow the crops, and after the crops are ripened, means they are ready to cut, and they cut it and then they store it and sell it in the market. So this is the time to celebrate, to have fun, joy, because they have grown the crops and they are now cutting the crops to be sold in the market. In this way they will earn money. Third question, how is Lohri celebrated? And the answer is, Lohri is celebrated, Lohri is the harvest festival of Punjab. Okay, people throw groundnuts and corns in the huge bonfire and everybody enjoys singing and dancing around the fire. You all know that Punjab, there are some folk dances, that Bhangra you must have seen, and maybe you have also done Bhangra. There is another folk dance, that is Gidda. So all these things they do, they sing, they dance, and they go around the fire throwing groundnuts and corns. This is because they grow this, and this is how they do the different rituals. So Lohri is the festival of Punjab. People throw groundnuts and corns in the huge bonfire and everybody enjoys singing and dancing around the fire. You must have seen during Holi festival in Gujarat also, these people go around the fire throwing this type of corn and groundnuts in the fire, okay, bonfire. And the fourth question is, how is Sankranti celebrated? Okay, and the answer is, Sankranti is celebrated by making gur and til laddus. You must have eaten gur and til laddus. This is you think the people they do during this Sankranti. It's a ritual. They make these laddus during this period of time, and they enjoy having together. So Sankranti is celebrated by making, like you must have seen that she is speaking about Maharashtra, and Kusum says in Maharashtra we celebrate Sankranti by making gur and til laddus. Okay, this is all about the question answers. Whatever is given in the passage, refer to the passage and write the answers. Okay, you don't have to write your it's about Gujarat and all other states like Bihu in Assam. We are only concerned about what is given in the passage, and you have to read the passage and answer these questions. Okay? Thank you, children.